I said America, hi. I can't hear y'all. I said America, hi. America, hi. I gotta give praise when I look to the sky. I'm grateful my parents made the sacrifice. I used to complain like I'm tired of rice. I used to complain I was tired of fufu, but now I be craving farina. My grandma would say that I look like a moo-moo cause I wasn't claiming my people. I was young and was dumb as a kid and ain't understand it was a blessing to be here. Y'all trying to win millions when y'all play the lottery. My people trying to win visas. I miss my brother when he got deported. It wasn't from swiping them visas. The real 419 is sitting in Congress. The love is so backward, it's evil. America, hi. My name is John Patrick. Is there any Igbo people in the house tonight? Make some noise! I said, is there any Igbo people in the house tonight? Make some noise! Houston, Texas, let's go! DJ Eclipse, let's get it! I got the MVP dancers with me. If y'all don't got space, come on, let's fill this place. This song is very simple. When you hear me say Kwenu, you respond, yeah! Let's go! I'm from a place called Nigeria with business and business. We breaking records, no guineas. All the uncles toast them Remy or Guinness. On my mama, I'm not kidding. Turn up every city section with Hennessy. Every city need an embassy. All around the world, we top of the industry. Always gotta do something worth remembering. If you from Enugu State, you should say yeah when you hear Igbo Kwenu. You from Anambra State, you should say yeah when you hear Igbo Kwenu. Igbo and Abia State, you should say yeah when you hear Igbo Kwenu. Even if in your state, tell us pull up, we gon' pack out the venue. The world let us see us dance, yeah. The world let it hear us sing. I'm on night shot everywhere, my people do everything. I was born in America, but back home I'm an Igbo king. The most beautiful women, the Ndi Ichie and Igbo teens. My homie was born out in Lagos, the home of the movers and shakers. I don't understand why do they hate us. Is it really because we the greatest? Is it really because we the greatest, my people? I'm Nigerian, you cannot play us. Hey, let's go! Cause the God that we serve is the greatest. If you falling for one of us, man or woman, I just hope that you're taking it serious. Listen, there's no greater love on this earth than the love that you get from Nigerians. Slide for you, die for you, rock for you, and all you will need is on Fast and the Furious. Are y'all ready? We rich cause we tell. I wanna hear y'all! Let's go! Igbo Kwenu, Yoruba Kwenu, Hausa Kwenu, born in America Kwenu, born in London Kwenu, Australia Kwenu, Central America Kwenu. I can't hear y'all! Africa Kwenu, let's go! Igbo Kwenu, Yoruba Kwenu, Hausa Kwenu, born in America Kwenu, born in London Kwenu, Australia Kwenu, Nigeria Kwenu, Africa Kwenu. Put your fist up. I wanna see you get low. We stay united. Get low. We not divided no more. We stay united as one Africa, one Nigeria, one Igbo. If you with me, make some noise. You from Enugu State, you should say yeah when you hear Igbo Kwenu. You from Anambra State, you should say yeah when you hear Igbo Kwenu. Igbo and Abia State, you should say yeah when you hear Igbo Kwenu. Any city or state, tell us pull up, we gon' pack out the venue. Let me hear y'all say Igbo Kwenu, Yoruba Kwenu, Hausa Kwenu, born in America Kwenu, born in London Kwenu, Australia Kwenu, Texas Kwenu. I said Houston Kwenu. I said Houston Kwenu. I said Houston Kwenu. I said Africa Kwenu. I said Nigeria Kwenu. Everybody Kwenu. Everybody Kwenu. Nigeria Kwenu. Africa Kwenu. Yeah.